Gonna start unwrapping presents from She said she thought it was Red Bull. What'd you get? A new fight.
Mommy, what does this do?
Let me look.
Hair spray?
It is uplifting foam.
What is that?
It's for your hair. Just.
Is it like hairspray?
Kinda. Yeah. Alright. Oh, Alexis is moving on to the second one.
Now I can use this for this.
Yep. It's got. Oh, cool.
What is it? I haven't found a curling iron that works for me. What is it? What is it? Yes! I haven't found a curling iron that works for me. So hopefully this will.
What is it?
Because our shoes so long.
Awesome.
Good
What
luck.
is that?
Except
Oh.
Thank you.
Turbo just said thank you. Oh, Alexis is moving on. Hold on, slow down, hold on. Oof.
What is it? A backpack.
I don't know, you have to open it up. Is that a lawn chair? Oh, what did your father do? What do you say?
Thank you.
It's a laptop bag.
Oh. Huh. I didn't even know that. Thank you. Hey, I think that was a I thought it was a book bag or something.
Because your laptop's too big, you had to have a big one, huh? Alright, there's Trey. Moving on to the last one we brought. What is it? Beets? No way. What is that?
Beets. Oh no, my laptop won't get in. You got beets.
You got beets?
They're black. The ones that I wanted.
Alright, you want to give your daddy a message?
I love you. Thank you.
You want to give him a kiss? Blow him a kiss?
Yeah.
Alright, Lexi, you want to give your daddy a message?
Thank you very much. I love you.
Aw, so sweet, beautiful, handsome people.
Is that all we got?
That's all that we brought to Texas.
Okay.
Okay?
The best one.
That's the best one?
So what do you do with those?
Beets? They're headphones.
I don't know about this.